Ooh, dance fight. You got it, Huey. Huey, turn around. Ah, turn around. Turn around. This looks so good. It looks so good. Mario, stop being annoying. Mario, kissing my boobies. I would not. Oh, Tyler.
Funding for Kevin Belton's New Orleans celebrations was provided in part by the Ellie Phillips Family Foundation, Incorporated. Additional support provided by New Orleans and Company. New Orleans, where stories are created.
Hi guys, welcome to my courtyard kitchen. Thank you for joining me for this celebration of my hometown, New Orleans. Today, I'm gonna stir the pot, that jambalaya pot, baby. This historic rice dish is ideal for cooking outdoors in these huge, big cast iron pots. So you find jambalaya in one form or another at all our festivals, tailgates, parties, birthday, oh, it's just everywhere. But today, it's about the festival. I'm gonna start my jambalaya fest with a twist on this one pot wonder. Pastelaya. That's right. We're gonna make jambalaya instead of with the rice. We're gonna use a little pasta. So let's get this going. In our pan, get a little vegetable oil down in there. Yes. Now, I'm gonna throw a little bit of onion in there. Got about a cup of onion. We're gonna do about a cup of celery. Half cup of this bell pepper. And you know we have to season this. This is what's important. Getting that seasoning in there for those flavors to open up. So we're gonna do a little bit of our Creole seasoning. We're gonna get a little bit of salt in here. Oh yeah. Woo! That's what we want. Oh baby, it smells so good. Now, I'm gonna use smoked sausage. In jambalaya and in most Louisiana cooking, we want something nice and firm. You don't want a fresh sausage that'll cook apart. You want something firm. So this is a mild smoked sausage. So we get our sausage in. Now, traditionally, jambalaya is a rice dish. You know, jambon was the French word for ham. Laya was the African word for rice. That's how we got jambalaya. So it's a Louisiana staple that's been here since day one. Of course, garlic. We cannot cook without garlic. So we're going to do a tablespoon of minced garlic. And that garlic is going to open up, give off a nice flavor. We're also going to put in a little bit of chopped oregano. So let's get some pepper flakes in. I'm going to do about a teaspoon. We could put in more, but that teaspoon will be fine, just enough for flavor. Look how that's looking. Yes, a little tomato paste. Tomato paste adds a nice depth of flavor. That's what we want from this tomato paste, to give a nice flavor off down in this. I'm going to throw in a little bit of green onion now, but I'm going to save this green onion to garnish with after we serve. See, if you look real close, you can see how that tomato paste has coated everything. It's gotten around the sausage. And now we're going to take our pasta. And what I like to do with it, I just like to kind of take it, and we're going to just break it in half. Drop it on in. Oh, get in there. Yes. We're just gonna get that stirred around a little bit. And then we're gonna put
This
our
looks so
stock in.
good. It looks so
Now you
good.
notice I have our stock heating up. And I'm using a little chicken stock in this.
Oh my god.